Hello everyone, welcome back to our MAF Techno Solution channel. So if you are a beginner to learn on Linux and DevOps tools, you are in the right place, in the right channel. So in the entire course, we are going to learn all the basic commands to like advanced level commands. So once after completing this complete Linux part, so we are going to cover all the DevOps tools. So to cover this DevOps tools, the basic requirement is Linux. So that's why we are started with our course on first Linux part. Okay, so in the last lecture we covered all these commands around. We covered like 10 to 11 lectures. So we covered all these commands like cd command, okay, and how to get the host name and server name, how to get the IP address, how to get the memory details, okay, how to get the process management, okay, that how to get the process, okay, how to kill the process, how to kill the process by name, okay, and file management commands like touch command, cat command, okay, and list of files like ls commands, okay. In the last lecture we covered this all ls commands, okay. If you are not aware about all these commands, please go through all the videos, okay, and do yourself practical, and after that you can start today's session, okay. In the today's session we are going to cover types of files in Linux, okay. Types of files in Linux. There is a 7 types of files in Linux. Okay, we'll see all these files with an example. Okay, first one is regular file that it will show with a this hyphen symbol. Okay, and scroll up screen. First, before going to performing these commands, when you practice, you can check yourself. You are must in the root directory. Okay. PWN, see here, you must be in a root directory. So then only you can perform all the commands, because for root, it won't ask any permissions. Okay, so you need to be in a root directory. ls-l. Okay, it will show the long list. In the last lecture, we saw that. Okay, hit enter. See here, consider this demo file. See here. Okay, consider this demo file. Okay, see the demo file is start with this hyphen symbol. Okay, that means it's a regular file. Okay, see here, there is a text file is there. So that file is start with this hyphen symbol, means it's a regular files. Whichever the file it denotes with this hyphen, okay, those files are regular files. And okay, directory. Okay, directory files. Okay, directory files is, it will show the list of that directory. Okay, you can see here, whichever the starting it's showing the D means that is a directory file. See, this is a directory. Okay, and this is also a directory. You can see here, this is a directory file. Okay, this is a directory file. Okay, so starting it will show with a D. Okay, D means it's a directory file. You can check here, the test also it's a directory. Here it's showing the D. Okay, I hope you got the point. Okay, fine. So link. Okay, L will denotes a link, a shortcut that point to locate to the actual file. Okay, so we'll see like a hard link and soft link. At that time, it's very important. You need to know about this. Okay, so I already created a link between two files. Okay, I will show here ls-l demo and test. See here, already I created the link between the files. Okay, so that will show with this L symbol, means that is linked file. The demo file is linked to this demo file, and user file is linked to the user. Okay, when I perform this ls-l, it will show the long list of these both files. Okay, so see here, it will denote starting with a L, means that is a linked file. Okay, we will see a hard link and soft link, means like in a link file, hard link and soft link, there is two types of files. Okay, we'll see that one later. Okay, first you just understand what is the L means that is a linked file. Okay, file. There is a link between this demo to demo file, so that's why it's showing L here. Okay, fine. And C file, that is read and write in a file data in character by character. Okay, mechanism used to input or output such as a file. It is in dev. Okay, in a device. Okay, how are you going to find? Just what I will do, I will use find command. Okay, this find command we will see later. Okay, type when we will start the filter chapter, filter topic, at that time we will see this find command. Okay, type and type C, give the C. Okay, because this special file, it denotes with the C type. Okay, give that C while searching. Okay, fine. I will take one example. For an example, okay, you can take any of these files. Okay, I will take this one. Okay, copy. What I will do, ls -l and give that file name, whichever one copied. Okay, hit enter. See, it denotes starting with a C, means it's a character file. Okay, the character means a file reads and writes data in character by character. Okay, fine. Okay, socket, that is denotes with S symbol. Okay, what is the socket file will do? Okay, see here, a special file enables a communication between the two processes. Okay, a special file that provides inter-process networking by the file system access control, means a special file, it enables a communication between the two processes, that will denotes with yes. Okay, how we will see? Find in root, okay, hyphen type search with yes. Okay, hit enter. Okay, you can see here, that is a socket file. Copy this one, and just do ls -l and give that path, paste here, hit enter. See here, a socket file, it denotes with starting yes. Whenever you will see these files types, so then you can understand. Okay, this is yes means here, this is a socket file. Yes means L means that is a linked file. If here it's showing the D means that is a directory file. If it's showing a hyphen symbol means that is a link, that is a regular file. Okay, I hope you got this point. Okay, this pipe, or we can call it FIFO. Okay, FIFO file also. Okay, see what it will do, a special file that allow process to communicate with each other without using network socket. Okay, without using network socket. Okay, pipeline command, that pipe command. Okay, we'll see that one later. Okay, we can call FIFO or named pipe. Okay, sends the data from one to another process, so that receiving process reads data in FIFO manner. Okay, and wherever a data sends to one process to another process, okay, it will read the data from receiving end like in FIFO manner, first in first out. Okay, whichever the data first comes, it will read first. Whichever data reads, it will send out. Okay, whichever first reads, it will send the first read data to out. Okay, that is pipe. Okay, we'll see this one, how use find root hyphen type, and here simply give the P and search. Okay, you can see here FIFO. Okay, copy that one and ls -l and give this directory, copy and paste here and hit enter. See what happened? So what happened here? See here, we search this FIFO, that FIFO file, first in, first out, that file it denotes with P. Means it allows to communicate between the two processes without using the network. Okay, right. And it reads the data, whichever comes first. Okay, and it will read side, it will send out the first. That is FIFO, first in, first out. Okay. I hope you got this point. Okay. And the final one is block device, that denotes with B symbol. Okay. A file that refers to device file. Okay. See here. Find root type B and hit enter. Okay. Okay. See here. For an example, I will take this one. Copy. Okay. ls space hyphen l and give that path. Paste here. Hit enter. See. It denotes with, see here, this directory, the device file, the directory, it denotes with B. B means the block. Okay. The data in your partition, these all your partitions. Okay. These all your partitions. In your partitions, the data stores in block. Okay. So the B means that all block inside the dev, these all are related to the block. Okay. Device files. Okay. Okay. I hope you have understood the all file types. Okay. So simply what you can do, ls-l, so hit enter. Okay. So whenever a file is denote starting with a hyphen symbol, mean you can understand it's a regular file. Whenever it shows D means you can understand that is a directory file. Okay. Like that. Whenever it shows the B means it's a block type of file. Okay. So you can understand like this. Okay. So in a Linux file types, there is a 7 types of file types. Okay. So you can go and read yourself this document and do these all commands whichever we did. So like finding the particular socket file. Okay. And pipeline, this pipe file. Okay. Do yourself practical and read this data. You will understand what are the file types in Linux. Okay. So I hope you understood this all the points. Okay. In the next lecture, we will see this. That is very important topic. So to learn this topic, so what are the types and access? Okay. And these all things, the basic you need to know about the Linux file types. So that's why I covered this topic. Okay. In the next lecture, we will cover, this is very important, interesting and new topic. Okay. We will see in the next class. Good day to everyone. Thank you.